Hello, hi, my name is Nzeda Rotondo, the guy with the YouTube channel. Today I am back again with another light that I bought from Shein. You will not believe it, guys. This you will not believe on how much I bought it. It's less than 15 rand, South African rand, and you're gonna love it. It's a design for the interior. You can use it for the sitting room, dining room, bedroom. So I'm gonna plug it for you to see how it is like. So this is it. As you can see, let me plug it. Small as it is, but the beauty that it brings in the house, yo, it's awesome. Very awesome. Let me just plug it on my nearby socket. Oh, there we go. Look at these, guys. Look at this. Shane is the best. Look at these all over my body. So you can design it, put it on your ceiling, on your bedroom, and it has got different designs, guys. It has got different designs. If you can check, I'm changing the designs here. Look, they get closer, they expand, get closer, expand, they move up, down. Um, it has all different dice shapes. You see? Yeah.